So here we are with a big and heavy Sephora bag. Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. First of all, sorry for my crazy hair. I didn't want to put any heat in it, but it looks absolutely crazy. Anyways, today is a video that I haven't done in a while. I think actually years. And it is a good old Sephora haul. So for those of you that follow me on Instagram, you will know that I went to Canada, I think about 2 weeks ago now. I lived there about 5 years ago for 9 months. It was for an internship for school, and then I stayed a little bit longer. And since it had been 5 years, I wanted to visit some old friends I met there and just show my boyfriend the city. It was in Toronto, by the way. So yeah, we went there for about 8 days, and of course, you already know I couldn't pass up on a good old little Sephora trip, or multiples actually. So here we are with a big and heavy Sephora bag. The reason this bag is so huge is honestly the holiday stuff was out. If you know me a little bit, you know that I love the holidays, I love Christmas, and I am a sucker for holiday kits. So yeah, unfortunately for my wallet, we were there when all the holiday stuff started to roll out in stores, so this big bag happened. And since the Sephora VIB sale is coming up pretty soon, I think on the 28th if I'm not mistaken, I thought I would share with you guys what I picked up. And also I just think you guys really love Sephora hauls in general. So yeah, let's just dig right in. The first thing I see in here is the biggest thing in this bag, and it is the Sephora Favorites Holiday Must-Haves. So it is a kit that comes with a bunch of travel sizes and then also 2 full-size products. This retails for $70, I think Canadian dollars. Yeah, Canadian dollars. I would have to see how much that would be in US dollars. Anyways, I will link everything down below. And it has a $235 value. Most of these products I have not tried out before, or I don't own. And then some of these I do, and I really love them, so I thought I would pick it up. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. So first thing is a full-size KVD tattoo liner. Then we have an Ilia mascara, also full-size. Then we have a Grande Lash Peptide Lash Enhancing Serum, which I am very excited to try. We have a mini all-nighter, which is perfect for traveling. I have tried that before. I've gone through multiples of these and I love it. We have a travel size Milk Hydro Gripping Primer, which I'm also very intrigued to try. We have a travel size Fenty Beauty Gloss, which I think I already own. Which shade is it? And Fenty Glow. I think I already own this, so I would have to check. Then we have a Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush Enjoy. I have one already. I would have to see which shade it is, but I'm pretty sure it's a different shade. Then we have a Natasha Denona Retro Palette, a mini one. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes, so I'm very excited about that. And then lastly, we have the ABH Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, which is apparently also a full size. And I have not tried that out before either. In my opinion, these like Sephora favorite sets are usually a great bang for your buck, and you get to try out a bunch of new things that maybe you have not tried out before, and that way you can see which ones you really like, and then you can either buy them in a full size or just enjoy the full size that is in here. So I'm very excited about this purchase. I'm actually excited about all of these purchases, if I can be completely honest. Next up, I got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla. So this is not from the holidays, but I've heard amazing things about this, so I decided to pick it up. This is a full size, and I have been running out of lip balms, so I thought I would pick this one up. This is what the packaging looks like. Very beautiful, very sleek. And then this is the applicator right here. I have already tried it once, I think. It smells so good. These come in a bunch of shades and a bunch of different scents, but I decided to pick up the clear one, again, because I am running out of lip balms. So I'm going to give it another go and tell you guys if I like it or not. But so far, first impressions, I do really like it. It's just need to see if it is worth the money because it is not cheap. Alright, moving on to Too Faced. I picked up 2 items from Too Faced. The first one is the Too Faced Matte Limited Edition Pumpkin Spice Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. They always come out with these during the fall season. So this is not holiday. I think it was already out before that. But almost every single year I buy these and I always love the shade. Let me show you guys which one I got last year. Alright, so I grabbed all of the ones that I already own from previous years. This is the one from last year, which was in cinnamon bun, which looked like this, and I absolutely love the color. And again, these smell heavenly. And then I have 2 from previous years, but I don't remember which years these were from. I have the gingerbread man and the gingerbread girl. I think these were like from 2017, 2018/2019 maybe. So yeah, I have quite the collection already, so I couldn't pass up this one either. Usually they are pretty close in color, as you can see. I mean, you definitely do not need all of them. But this year they went for a pumpkin spice latte shade / scent. So I'm very excited to see what the packaging looks like. Oh, that is just so adorable. If it will focus, there you go. And if I would have to compare, it leans most towards the gingerbread girl shade. So this is gingerbread girl, and then this is the new one from this year, BSL. So these 2 are closest in shade, but again, they are all pretty close in shade, so you definitely do not need all of these. If you have the one from last year, you're definitely good to go. And I mean, like these 2 from a few years back, I do not use these anymore. It's not sanitary to use, but for some reason I just cannot seem to get rid of them. But let's see if it smells like PSL. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, that is autumn in a little lip product. Wow, that smells heavenly. Let's give it a little swatch. There you go. So pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. That just absolutely screams fall to me. I'm so excited. By the way, these are pretty long lasting. They are a matte liquid lipstick. They're a little bit drying, but not too much. And for a matte liquid lipstick, they do feel really comfy on the lips. Alright, next up we have something that I am so excited about because it screams Christmas to me, and it is the Too Faced Christmas Bake Shop. So this is what the packaging looks like, and basically you get 3 little eyeshadow palettes and a small Better Than Sex travel size mascara. Honestly, I just couldn't pass this up. This looked way too cute. This packaging alone, I mean, come on. So I'm definitely going to film a review and tutorial on these, so be on the lookout for that. But as I mentioned, first of all, it comes with a travel size Better Than Sex mascara, and then it comes with 3 eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is the Sugar Cookie palette, which looks like this. They all smell quite sweet, and then this one comes with a blush as well. So this is the first one, and the next we have the Ginger Snap palette, which looks like this on the inside, and then this one has a like bronzer / blush shade in it. These shades are absolutely gorgeous, by the way. And then lastly, it comes with the Chocolate Chip palette, and these are the shades in this one, and this one comes with a highlighter. I cannot wait to put these babies to the test. I'm not going to swatch them in this video because I want to keep it for my first impressions review, but I just really could not pass this up. This was way too cute. And I also got a little Christmas set from Fresh. This is the Color & Care Lip Trio, which comes with 3 different sugar lip treatments. I absolutely love these. They also have tinted ones, but I don't think these come... Hold on. Maybe the middle one has a little bit of a tint to it, but it comes with the Sugar Advanced Therapy, the Sugar Rosé, and then the Sugar Mint Rush. So I'm guessing the rosé has a little bit of a tint, but the other two don't. I already went through a bunch of these from Fresh and I absolutely love them. So I thought I would pick up this one to put in my purse. Again, I was running low on lip balms. And I also thought this was just way too adorable. Alright, we're almost there. I also got the Herbivore, I don't know how you say it, Radical Retinols, I think is how you pronounce it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. And it basically comes with 3 travel size products from this brand. I have been wanting to try Herbivore, or however you pronounce it, for such a long time. But that ish is expensive, so I thought I would start off with this and then see which products are actually worth the money. So it says this is a nighttime ritual to help you achieve smooth and firm skin. So it basically comes with 3 steps. So you have the Phoenix facial oil, the Moon Dew eye cream, and then the Moon Fruit serum. Something definitely spilled in here, and I think it is the oil because there's already a quarter of it gone. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm very excited to give these a go. I've heard amazing things about these. So first you should apply the serum, then the eye cream, and then the Phoenix oil. Again, I'm very new to this brand, have not tried this out yet, but I am way too excited about these. Just very bummed that it spilled all over the place. Moving on to Tarte, of course. I had to pick up something from their holiday collection as well. And I went for the Precious Gems Amazonian Clay Cheek Palette. So this is basically this year's blush palette. If you guys know Tarte a little bit, they come out with blush palettes for the holidays, I think really every single year. I own a few of them already, and I really could not pass this one up. First of all, the packaging is adorable. Look at that. How stunning is that? So this is called the Blush Authority, and these are the shades on the inside. So as you can see, it comes with 5 blushes and then 1 bronzer shade. I've been wanting a few new blushes from Tarte for a while now, so I thought I would splurge and pick this one up. It retails for $39 US and has a $90 retail value. I don't really know about those retail values, but it is a really good deal. These are all blush shades that are right up my alley, and I'm very excited to try out their Park Ave Princess bronzer. I think I've tried it out years ago, but I cannot remember my thoughts on it for the life of me. I think I'm going to film a review on this as well. Again, very excited about this palette. I say it about everything in this video, but that is because I am. It has been such a long time since I bought like new makeup from Sephora, and it is just making me so happy and motivated to film videos. Lastly, from Tarte, I picked up something that is pretty viral right now, and it is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I've seen this everywhere. It has been sold out for a while now, but I was able to get my hands on the shade Rosé or Rose, which is the shade that I am wearing right now. So I have tried this out already, and I can tell you guys that I absolutely love this. So here's what the packaging looks like, and then when you open it up, it looks like this, and you basically have to push on the bottom to get the product out. First of all, it smells really good. It smells like coconut oil, I think. It just smells very fresh, but the texture of this I absolutely love. I love the color, but I also just love how smooth it is on the lips, how juicy, how glossy, how nourishing. I just absolutely love it. It doesn't give off that much color, but it is just so pretty. I mean, this swatch is definitely a lot of product. You don't need that much on your lips. It is just so glossy and juicy. I absolutely get why this is such a hype right now. Alright, and then the last holiday set that I got is this one from Rare Beauty, which is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush 3-piece set, which comes with 1 full size and 2 mini sizes. I again already own one of these and absolutely love it. So I'm very excited to have some more shades to choose from. So as I said, it comes with a full size. This is the shade Encourage, I think. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade Encourage, the full size shade. And then it also comes with 2 travel sizes. First one being Happy, which is a beautiful pink tone shade. And then lastly, we have a mini called Truth, which is a little bit darker and deeper, but will be perfect for the fall time. Such pretty shades. And I think this wasn't too bad of a price. It doesn't say, but I will have it linked down below. So definitely pick this up if you love liquid blushes. The soft pinch blushes from Rare Beauty are to die for. Alright, and then lastly in Toronto, I went to the Abnormal Beauty Company store where I picked up 3 products from The Ordinary, but since they also sell The Ordinary at Sephora, I thought I would feature it in this video as well. So the first thing I picked up is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 oil, I guess. So this is basically a hyaluronic acid oil, and if you guys didn't know, this is very good for nourishing the skin. This is also a bigger size. They have a smaller one, but this is the 60 milliliters one. And then I also was running low on moisturizer, so I picked up the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA, which is again just a very good moisturizer. This is what it looks like. Again, I got a bigger size. This has 100 milliliters in it, and I got a bigger size because usually I share that with my boyfriend because he really loves that moisturizer too. And then lastly, I got the multi-peptide lash and brow serum. I've never tried this out from this brand before. I've actually never tried a lash and brow serum in general, so I would have to look up how to use this, but this is what the packaging looks like. Again, very excited to see if this will actually do anything. As always, can't wait to give this one a go. And then from the drugstore, not from Sephora, but I thought I would include it quickly in this video, I picked up 2 CoverGirl Clump Crushers. This is my favorite mascara and really hard to find here in Belgium, so I picked up 2 backups. And that is actually all the makeup that I picked up at Sephora whilst visiting Toronto. I cannot wait to put all of these to the test. Again, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film specific videos on any of these products. And also don't forget, if you are lucky enough to live in the States or Canada, the Sephora VIB sale is coming up pretty soon. So that is definitely the time to snag up a few of these products if you're interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you so much. And I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.